The S&P 500 dropped 2.4% this week, while Bitcoin lost 4%. Markets are on edge over Trump's potential tariffs and rising inflation expectations in the US. What else happened in the crypto world over the past 7 days? Let's break it down. Strategy has acquired 6,911 Bitcoin for $584 million, bringing its total holdings to 506,137 Bitcoin. Meanwhile, GameStop plans to raise $1.3 billion through bond issuance to buy Bitcoin. Just a few years ago, they were selling video games, and now they're diving into crypto. Oklahoma is following suit. The state's House of Representatives has passed a bill to establish a Bitcoin reserve. Fidelity has filed for a SOL ETF listing on the CBOE exchange. And politician Bo Hines believes the White House could buy BTC using the U.S. gold reserves. Is this a realistic scenario? The crypto exchange scene is full of drama. Hyperliquid has delisted Jelly and will compensate affected users with $700,000. At one point, the DEX was at risk of losing $240 million due to a whale attack on its protocol. CME has partnered with Google Cloud to enhance asset tokenization technology. Meanwhile, Crypto.com is under fire. Analyst Zach XBT has accused the exchange of fraud, claiming the team reissued 70% of the CRO supply that was supposedly burned in 2021. DEX DYDX is launching a buyback program, allocating 25% of its fee revenue to repurchasing its own token. Bybit has announced the delisting of several tokens, including Bonus, CEL, CTT, LGX, MXM, PLT, and Zend. On the macroeconomic front, U.S. inflation expectations for the next 5 years have risen to 4.1%, up from 3.5% in March. And Trump is preparing for a trade war. He has promised 25% tariffs on all cars and auto parts manufactured outside the U.S., starting April 2nd. Meanwhile, Nvidia could lose $17 billion due to new Chinese restrictions. And Elon Musk has pulled off another big move. Twitter is now owned by his own company, XAI, in a $33 billion deal. In the regulatory space, Terraform Labs will start accepting claims for Luna and UST scam compensation on March 31st. The SEC has officially dropped lawsuits against Consensus, Cumberland, Kraken, and Crypto.com. Ripple has struck a deal. The company has agreed to withdraw its counter-appeal against the SEC and pay a $50 million fine. And the FDIC has announced that banks can now engage with cryptocurrencies without requiring additional approvals. Is this a major step toward institutional crypto adoption? Another unexpected development, Trump has pardoned 3 co-founders of the BitMEX exchange. In the tech world, Google has released its new AI model, Gemini 2.5. And finally, 230,000 Binance and Gemini user records have been leaked on the darknet. The crypto market is on fire. Institutions are stacking BTC, exchanges are under pressure, and regulators are scrambling. What's next? Let us know in the comments. Will we see new all-time highs, or is a major correction on the horizon? Subscribe now so you don't miss the hottest crypto updates.